How to create a request form in Grispy. By clicking the Settings button on the left side on the main screen. Under the Administration panel heading, click on the Request Field section. Click on the Add Field button at the top right. You can format the values you will enter under different headings such as User, Multi-User, Selection, Multi-Selection, Text, Tags, Date, Date Time, Integer, Decimal Number, checkbox, and record the input values in accordance with certain rules. We can create a request field through the selection header. We can make a naming to our request field. Under the Order Status heading, we will define a data field where the relevant headings are created. In the Permissions area, we can choose who can edit the request field we have created. Select the most appropriate option between Agent Only, editable by the customer, or Read Only for customers. We can add conditions to our request field, such as required to submit a request, or required to resolve a request. We can also allow new values to be entered via the request field. Let's add Order in Progress under the Order Status field. As another option, let's add the order has been delivered to cargo field. Thirdly, let's add the area in the cargo transfer process. Fourth, add the field that the cargo has arrived at the branch. Let's add the cargo delivery field as another field. Finally, let's complete the relevant steps by adding the cargo delivered field. Thanks to the request field we have created, we can add each stage of the cargo request on the form. And we can create separate filters and business processes for each option. We can check the appearance of the request field from the preview area. The view created here will be created in the same way on the request form. We have completed the process of creating a demand field. We can add the newly created demand field to the demand form that will need the order status field. We can go to the area with the request forms by clicking on the request forms field on the left side. Since the order status field is a field that must be included in the delivery and shipping form, we can add it by drag and drop by coming to the delivery and shipping form editing area. In the left side of the form field, the request fields that are active in the delivery and cargo form are listed. On the right side, there are fields that have been created as a request field but are not actively listed in the relevant request form. Grab the order status field from the right side and drag and drop it in the order we want between the form fields on the left side. We have added the newly created request field to the relevant request form with drag and drop operation. Let's complete the process by saving it. The edit request form process is complete. You can create a new form and new request fields by repeating this process for different fields and different forms. Let's select the delivery form by creating a new request. The request field we added was added to the field we specified in the form.